Okay, meet the new addition to the waterfall videos. Okay, so I'm here at the North River Falls. That's just the falls outside of Truro, not Parisbro and not Cape Breton. But I've been here several times. If you want to see the whole adventure I took, somewhere I'll post a card right there. And I've been meaning to explore the whole gorge and test out my new addition, which is I'd like to be able to see if the falls I visit are a viable fishing spot or not. So I'll try a couple more spots with that. We'll go hike further upriver and check out the gorge. I think there's a few more falls up there. So let's go do it. Okay, I think I made as far as I'm gonna go upstream. As you saw back further where the cliffs were, as they kind of panned off, there's a few small waterfalls. Here kind of just turns into boulders, and I don't think I'm gonna bother going any further up. So what I'm gonna do is head back downstream from the falls, and I'm gonna check out a few spots I saw that might be good fishing holes. So that's something that you could use. Just stick with me and we'll check them out. Okay, so I made it downstream from the falls. As soon as you get downstream, there's a couple little mini cascading falls, and there's some magnificent cliffs. It's actually really beautiful. And just around the bend from the falls, there's actually another falls kind of coming up over one of the cliffs. It's just a little narrow one. I like to see it when there's more water flowing. It might be quite nice. It still looks good though, coming over the green moss on the cliff. Anyway, I'm not sure how much there is to go further downstream. It looks like the cliffs kind of die off, so I think I'm gonna wrap it up at this point. In that case, I really appreciate you guys watching to the end. And like always, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.